Victoria Falls is one of the largest and most famous waterfalls globally, with a width of about 1.7 kilometers, 1.1 miles, and a height of 108 meters, 354 feet. Victoria Falls is located in Africa, on the Zambezi River, which forms the border between Zambia and Zimbabwe. The falls are part of the Mosi-oa-Tunya National Park in Zambia and Victoria Falls National Park in Zimbabwe. The falls were formed over thousands of years due to erosion and the collapse of river channels. The indigenous name for Victoria Falls is Mosi-oa-Tunya, meaning the smoke that thunders in the Tonga language. This name reflects the immense spray and roaring sound created by the falling water. Scottish missionary and explorer David Livingstone was the first European to see Victoria Falls on November 16, 1855. He named the falls in honor of Queen Victoria of Britain. Victoria Falls is a major tourist destination, attracting visitors from around the world. Activities include guided tours, helicopter rides, bungee jumping, whitewater rafting, and wildlife safaris. The flow of water over the falls varies throughout the year. The rainy season, February to May, sees the falls at their fullest and most powerful, while the dry season, September to December, reveals more of the rock face and allows for activities like Devil's Pool swimming. Victoria Falls was designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1989 due to its outstanding natural beauty and its geological and geomorphological significance. The area around Victoria Falls is rich in biodiversity. The rainforest on the edge of the falls is sustained by the constant spray, supporting unique plant and animal life. Nearby, you can find elephants, hippos, crocodiles, and a variety of bird species. The falls hold great cultural significance for the local tribes, who have lived in the area for centuries. They believe the falls are a sacred site and have numerous myths and legends associated with them.